brings us out to play. We see the big ducks and run their way. Mommy feeds the chickens bugs, so we all get treats too. We still love playing in the mud, getting our bills dirty, it's true. We're all in this together, we gallop about, siblings and friends, never a doubt. We're all in this together, having so much fun, playing and laughing under the bright sun. We copy Daddy, dunking our heads in the water deep, but we'd rather be swimming, our feathers soft and sleek. Fearless takes care of us better than Mama Duck, it's true, it's true. Speaking of Mama Duck, where did she go? What's she to do? She's under a trailer